Hey everyone, I'm going to show you today how to change the door lock settings on your Mazda vehicle. So first you go into your settings in your infotainment system and move over to vehicle and then down to door locks. And then within door locks you can change a lot of different things. So first you can do your auto door lock mode. You can change it to lock when driving and then unlock as soon as the ignition's off. That'll turn on when it hits 20 miles per hour. All your doors will lock. And then the keyless lock beep volume. So if you don't like the volume it's set at, you can change that. And if you go down to the auto relock time, you can change the amount of time that before your auto relock hits. Another nice little feature is that your unlock mode, when you have your key fob, if you hit the unlock button, just by hitting it once, it'll unlock all the doors, or you can do it once for your driver's side and then twice to unlock the rest of the doors. And then your walk-away lock, you can turn that on or off. Some people like that, some people don't. And then you can always reset to the factory settings to just move everything back to where it was. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. I've got a lot of videos coming out with Mazda tips and tricks and some that are already on my channel. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss them when they come out.